Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. And today, in the mail, I got a Blavor, I think that's how it's pronounced, light. My mom got it for me for Christmas to replace the one that was snatched by people that took a bunch of other stuff from me. I use these every day. I use the camp, this is called the camp light. It has bright, medium, and low, and it is very bright. But I use these every day for light in my apartment in the evening. And I had three of them, so now I have three of them again. This one is a little bit different than the one that I had previous because it is green. My other ones are all black, but that is okay. These are the solar panels. They flip out. Let's see. They flip out there, and the green light goes on, saying that it is charging from just the little bit of light in here. I know it looks like on the camera a lot brighter, but believe me, it's not as bright as it looks on the camera. But anyways, it charges. It's currently trying to charge, but it's at full charge basically, so it's just using a tiny bit because I checked it out to see where it was at on the battery wise. So as you see, the green light goes off as I close the panels, but as soon as I get two panels this panel and this panel open, it starts again. So please excuse the tiny feathers on my bed. This blanket is a feather blanket. There's the light on it. I'm not going to shine it at the camera. It's a double click. It is super bright. So that's bright, medium, and low. Double click to go off. You can hold it down and the flashlight goes on. Oh, strobe, sorry everybody. I forgot that it did that. There, turn it off. There is a compass. I believe this one is true to... It's a little sluggish, so it might not work actually, but that's okay. I don't plan on using it for that. I don't usually use the flashlight feature. I use this for lights in my apartment because I cannot afford the electricity for the actual lights in the apartment. So this is what I use on a daily basis. So not having that one really made it harder in here. So it's fully charged right now, so it will be put into play tonight. It does come with a carabiner in the box and a charging cord. No charging box, but that's pretty much standard right at now anyways. So you can use it, like if you're going to go camping or something, you can use that, but I don't do that. Here's where it charges. It's also like a phone battery bank as well. So it can charge two USBs, USB-C, and I don't know what the other one was prior to the USB-C one. But my old phones would take this one up here. Sorry, I don't remember what that one was. Let's see if it says on the thing. It's got a Type-C output, USB 1 output, USB 2 output, and USB-C input. I don't know, but it is yeah, I was trying to read this, sorry, it's really tiny. Anyways, this is going to definitely help me out. Again, I really relied on having three of these. So thank you to my parents for an early Christmas gift. This is something I really need. Like I said, I rely on it every day. But I'm repeating myself. So time to go. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.